My hair's getting long, getting messy. It's time for a haircut. Let's go. Lock it up. Queue line's about 45 minutes. Whew, new hairstyle. Just a little bit cold now down in Southern Hemisphere in Sydney. So my neck used to be covered, but now it's kind of naked, getting cold. Not much intention, honestly, to make this video today. Just like pop-up idea just came a few minutes ago, and I thought, okay, just bring my camera, let's start shooting. It's Monday. I get that. I used to feel like that. I was like, shit, it's Monday again. But something changed my perspective a couple of years ago. I was thinking to myself, what if this is the last Monday of my life? What if this is the last Monday of your life? Obviously, you know, you wanna live it up. Now, whether that's Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, just live that up. The only time that we guarantee to have is now. It's now, guys. So live it up. My vlog from Uluru and Kangaroo Islands coming down in the next few days. For those who don't know, we had a 25-day road trip with the family, like 4 of us, to Uluru and down to Kangaroo Island, South Australia. So the vlog's not going to be only like one video, it's going to be like multiple videos. But the first one is coming in the next few days. So keep an eye out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Should be somewhere down here. And don't forget to hit the bell as well, so you guys are going to get notified when the videos are ready or when the first video is ready. That's all I want to say. Vlog's coming, and live it up even though it's Monday. I'll see you guys soon. Peace!